Your planet has places so hostile that life itself gave up. We're talking acid geysers that would dissolve skin in seconds, deserts hotter than an oven's core, trenches so deep they make mountains look like pebbles, and a peak that used to be underwater. These aren't movie sets. They're real, they're on Earth, and they're weird. Stick around because we're about to visit the most extreme locations our planet has to offer. There's a place in Ethiopia that's basically a portal to hell. Not metaphorically, it's called the Danakil Depression, and it's the most chemically hostile environment on Earth's surface. The hot springs here aren't just hot. They're highly acidic and rich in sulfur compounds, creating an extremely caustic chemical environment that would dissolve most organic matter on contact. The ground itself is a minefield. You've got potassium salts, sulfur deposits, and minerals so toxic that the depression ranks among the most chemically hostile environments on Earth's surface. On top of the chemistry, the heat is relentless. Average temperatures hover around 100 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, but the ground surface gets much hotter, hot enough to cook anything that lands on it. Here's the wild part. Macroscopic animal life, anything you can actually see, is essentially absent throughout most of the depression. Not because nothing tries to live there, because nothing can. The tallest mountain on Earth has a secret buried at its summit. It used to be sitting on the ocean floor. And it's not metaphorical. You can literally pick up fossils up there. Mount Everest's summit contains marine limestone and fossils of ancient sea creatures, ammonites, and other organisms that swam in the Tethys Ocean millions of years ago. These fossils aren't recent. They date to the Cretaceous and earlier periods, when the entire region was covered by the ancient Tethys Sea, an ocean that existed between roughly 250 and 66 million years ago. Then something massive happened. The Indo-Australian and Eurasian plates collided, shoving the entire seafloor upward. Those marine sediments and fossils got thrust skyward, eventually forming the Himalayas and Mount Everest itself. And Everest isn't alone. Similar marine fossils are found throughout the Himalayan range at high elevations, confirming the entire region's submerged past. You're literally standing on an ancient ocean when you reach that summit. Death Valley might hold the air temperature record, but Iran's Lut Desert? It owns the ground. The ground surface temperatures here are so extreme they rival anywhere else on the planet. The Lut Desert has recorded ground surface temperatures exceeding 70 degrees Celsius. That's 158 degrees Fahrenheit. NASA's satellite measurements pinned a surface temperature at approximately 70.7 degrees Celsius in 2005. These temperatures rival or exceed other hottest ground temperature locations like Death Valley and the Puna Depression. But the Lut goes further than just being hot, it looks alien. The landscape features calottes, tall, columnar rock formations with eroded patterns that genuinely look like something from another planet. Jagged towers, shadow-carved ridges, otherworldly geometry. The extreme heat and aridity make the Lut virtually devoid of vegetation. No plants, barely any water, just raw, scorched, extraterrestrial-looking Earth. It's the closest you'll get to Mars without leaving Earth. The Atacama Desert in South America is famous for being dry. But the Puna de Atacama, a specific region spanning parts of Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile at high altitude, takes it to another level entirely. The Atacama overall is one of the driest places on Earth. Some regions receive little to no measurable precipitation annually. But the Puna has something worse. It's so arid that even bacteria are struggling. The Puna de Atacama has extremely low humidity and high ultraviolet radiation due to its high elevation and aridity. That combination creates conditions so harsh that microbial life barely exists. Soil samples from the Puna showed significantly lower bacterial cell counts compared to other desert regions and temperate soils. We're talking bacteria-sparse soil in a desert where bacteria should still be hanging on. Scientists use the Puna de Atacama as an analog for studying potential life on Mars. If life can't survive here, it probably won't survive on the red planet either. That's how hostile this place actually is. You think you understand depth. Then you learn about the Mariana Trench, where the deepest point, Challenger Deep, reaches approximately 10,994 meters below sea level. Mount Everest stands approximately 8,849 meters above sea level. That means Everest could fit inside Challenger Deep with over 2,000 meters of water to spare. Think about that. Yet life is down there thriving. Scientists have discovered amphipods, snailfish, and microbes that actually thrive under extreme pressure and near freezing temperatures. Even weirder? Hydrothermal vent ecosystems exist in the Mariana Trench, supporting chemosynthetic bacteria that form entire food chains without sunlight. Life found a way in the most hostile place in our oceans. You've heard Death Valley is hot, but you probably haven't heard just how hot. Death Valley holds the world record for the highest reliably recorded air temperature, 134 degrees Fahrenheit, measured on July 10, 1913 at Furnace Creek. That record has stood for over 110 years. In more than a century of global temperature measurement, nobody has beaten it in authenticated instrumental records. That's how extreme that single day was. And it's not a one-off anomaly. Death Valley regularly experiences temperatures exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit in summer, with daytime maximums often in the 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit range during peak months. Here's why. Death Valley is a desert basin below sea level with minimal cloud cover, low humidity, and surrounding mountains that trap heat. It's basically an oven designed by geology. At those temperatures, Death Valley pushes the limits of how hot Earth's surface can become, with extreme heat that challenges infrastructure and survival. Death Valley isn't just a place, it's a test of how hot Earth can actually get. You've just visited 6 of Earth's most extreme places. You've stood in a chemical hellcape where nothing survives, climbed a mountain made of ancient ocean creatures, walked across deserts so hot they rival other planets, descended to depths where the pressure is incomprehensible, and roasted in the hottest temperatures ever reliably recorded. Your planet is genuinely, mind-bendingly weird. If you want more of this kind of trivia that rewires how you think about Earth, check out our other episodes on extreme geography, or watch our shorts for the quick-hit version of these facts.